Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this little rubber ducky. I'm going to go in first and base coat my duck in the color Kernel Mustard. Every color paint that I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint, and you can purchase that on our website if you guys are interested. I'm going in now with the color Dixie Belle blue for my little bubbles at the bottom. And then I'm going to go in with Florida orange for my duck's beak. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the color Peony for the cheek on my little ducky here. And then after everything dries, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and begin to outline, just following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. And then I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color Cotton, and I'm just going to highlight everything to kind of soften him up and accent the bubbles. And then that will be it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.